Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm going to do a couple of videos behind the camera because I just don't want to be in front of the camera right now. But I have a Boxyluxe from BoxyCharm to share with you. Boxyluxe is a quarterly, every 3 months subscription. I will put the upcoming dates or months of billing in the description box below. I will also put a detailed information about if you're considering BoxyCharm, which is $25 a month, Boxy Premium, which is $35, and Boxyluxe, which is $50 at every 3 months. If you're considering any of the three, you know, how can you get the Boxyluxe or only get the Boxy Premium and different things like that. So I did email the company and I got some feedback from them, and so that information will be in the description box below. Again, this is the Boxyluxe for the month of December 2019, and it cost me $50. So this is how the box came. So everything arrived looking like this. So I'm going to move the box off camera, and then I'll bring one item at a time as I grab it in front of the camera, out of the box in front of the camera. Okay, so the first thing we have here is something from Cosmedix, clean, clinical, and luxurious. If I can find like the retail value or if it's on the card, then I will put that information as well for you in the description box below. If you're interested in signing up for BoxyCharm, I will also enclose my referral link if you would like to use it to sign up for your first box. I think right now there is a free Tarte palette that is being included with new subscribers, but the incentive gift changes through, you know, from time to time. So let's see what this is. Oh, this is a face massage roller. Okay. Face and body. Massage beauty roller. And that is the information about it. It's made out of some stone, encrusted with 24 massaging stones containing geranium, powder, tighten and energizes the skin. Oh, wow. All right. Oh, and then let me show you this size. These are ways in which you can use it and how you're supposed to use it. So there's an instruction and care manual that's enclosed. And then this is the unit itself. Very nice. Okay, BoxyCharm. This roller has a retail value of $69. And basically it's to improve the visibility of fine lines, enhance the skin texture, and uplifts fatigued skin. Okay, so it's promising a lot. The next thing we have that I'm grabbing out of the box is a Too Faced High Shine Sparkling Lip Gloss. Brilliant. And it's in the color Crazy Rich. Okay. Oh, that's very pretty. I would say this is something that could be worn alone. It's got some iridescent little sparkles. Very shimmery. Let's see what the applicator looks like. That's the applicator. All right. Can't go wrong with a little Too Faced. It would make a very nice topper as well. I really do like the packaging. You guys know I'm a sucker for girly girl things and fancy dancy looking stuff, and I really like the femininity of the packaging in the pink. And this retails for $21. It's saying something about it's cushiony and comfortable, texture enriched with natural oils, a unique blend of light reflecting glitters and pearls, offers the ultimate rich effect. Hashtag Too Faced Whimsy. Yeah, it's very cute. It makes me think of a storybook fairy tale, like if Cinderella had some makeup up on her, she would have something like that in her collection. All right, what else we got here coming out of this box? We got this guy. What the heck is this, you guys? Power Up Dual Phase Setting Spray Mist. Oh, I like my setting sprays. Let's see. This one helps to set makeup, energize, and revive skin. Filters away dull, tired, and stressed out complexion. Glow, hydrate, and energize. Use under makeup to prep the skin, over makeup to set your look, and throughout the day to refresh tired skin. So this has a couple of purposes. This is neat. I've never heard of this. Who is this? InnBeauty Project? Yeah, man. Who are you people? Never heard of these guys before. This is a cruelty-free company. It's free from a lot of things. So let me bring it closer to the camera so you guys can pause and read for yourself. But I'm seeing things like PEGS, sulfates, parabens, phthalates, EDTA, soy, gluten, animal-derived ingredients, proudly cruelty-free, as you should be, and vegan. It's free from synthetic fragrances, colorants, and silicones. Well, how about that? I've never heard of this before. InnBeauty Power Up Dual Setting Spray Mist has a retail value of $32, and it can be used AM or PM. It has a special bi-phase formula, instantly activates and transforms as you shake it. Get ready to power up. Formulated. Oh wow, look at that, you guys. See that? Ooh. Transfer as you shake it. Formulated with an even out complex, which helps even the look of redness, blotchiness, hyperpigmentation, dark spots. Oh, you're speaking my language. And dullness, naturally colored and scented with energizing aromatics from plants. Nice. All right, BoxyCharm, you go. You know, this is one that if I had to eat, saltine crackers for 2 weeks, I would. I really do enjoy the subscription. Ciaté London Confetti Highlighter. I just got something from Ciaté London in another subscription. Ipsy. And Allure has also sent something. So let's see. Ciaté London Highlighter. Achieve a sun-kissed glow with Ciaté London's Confetti Highlighter, featuring a mix of shades that have been carefully pressed together for a radiant highlight in one sweep. Ah, look at this packaging. It's so cute. It's very cute and fancy. Fancy. Pop this out and at a dinner and just, oh, look at that, you guys. Isn't that precious? Very nice. I like that. And it has a mirror. And then a nice little snap closure. That's pretty. And the retail value of this is $32. $32. Interesting. Let's see. We have this sitting on top. So we have some Daily Concepts, your hair wrap towel. For a quick, dry, and smoothing experience. Let's see, we got anti-frizz, easy to use, hands-free drying. And this retails for $18. Now this I see come on the truck, but not from Daily Concepts, different things. I haven't seen the towels though. I think this is great to take with you. It's got washing instructions for you, and it's cruelty free. And for people who wash their hair a lot, this will cut down on your dry time. So if you want to maybe wrap your hair with that and let it air dry, it would make it dry faster. Or if you want to use that as a first step to blow drying, that would be really cool. I actually like Fresh, but it's been a long time since I've purchased something from the company. And this is a soy face cleanser for all skin types, rich in amino acids, gently cleans face and eyes. And this is 150 milliliters, 5 fluid ounces. All right. Okay. Yeah. I play too much. Let's see. This retails for $48. Excuse me. Yeah, Fresh isn't cheap, and it is sold in Sephora and Fresh.com maybe. This clear gel cleanser for all skin types has a cult following for the way it removes makeup, even mascara, without drying. For soft, supple skin, it's made with amino acid-rich soy proteins, calming cucumber extract, and balancing rose water. If you have sensitive skin, it also soothes and tones. And bring it a little closer so you guys can see some of the ingredients and their benefits. And then let's check out the packaging, because, you know, we do like our packaging. And this is what it looks like. Nice. So far, I mean, I am very happy. I'm not complaining about diddly squat that I've pulled out of the box. Let's see, we got 3 more things. So let's go with this. We have something from M.GreenGrass. Beach Air. Hello, get your stuff together. Inspired by France. So the fragrance is Beach Air. Inspired by Greece, not France. And the fragrance notes is bergamot, citrus, white jasmine, Brazilian soft woods, heliotrope, and musk. Fragrance number 2. What is this? A dry oil spray. This fast-absorbing dry oil spray is formulated with a blend of high-quality oils that quickly penetrate, delivering superior moisture, leaving skin soft, luminous, without feeling greasy. Your directions is spray and massage the oil directly onto your skin. For hair, spray the oil onto the palm of your hands and run it through the tips of your hair to disperse it evenly. For the face, hello, spray the oil into the hands and apply it to the face where needed. Well, how about this little Coca Cabana? Let's see, because your girl is ashy. All right, Susie Q. Let's see what do we have here. Ooh, it smells so nice. Smells like a day at the beach. All right. Well, how about that? Compared to. All right, that's enough of me playing with that. 2 more things. Oh, hello. Get yourself together, lady. This dry oil is formulated with a blend of high-quality oils, and it retails for $38. Hashtag M.GreenGrass whimsy. I play too much. And we're down. This is the second to the last item. This is a decent little size. Now, when I was watching Alex's video, I wondered, did her book, it looked a little smaller, but it could be just the way it was coming off on camera. But this is from Storybook Cosmetics, and I do follow them on Instagram. I've been an admirer of different palettes that they have released. I think they even sell makeup brushes that are very unique and whimsical. And I have yet to make a purchase, and I'm very slow about certain things. I'll buy certain things in a heartbeat, and then other things I just drag on for days and just keep watching from the background. And this is one of those companies. So I'm very happy to be receiving this. Again, Storybook Cosmetics is the Fairy Tales Little Briar Rose. Aww. AKA Sleeping Beauty. And it has a very nice mirror on it. Very nice size. And it looks as though if you took this thing, even though it's bulky, with you, you could angle it and position it where you could use it as a little, vanity in a hotel or a family's house or something that you might be visiting. And these are the shades. I think there are a couple. It's a mixture. You do have some mattes, some shimmers, a little glitter, and some deeper tones, some lighter tones. I think it's balanced really nicely. I very much like the blue. I do like this deep maroon-ish brown color. The taupe is nice. the peach up here is nice, the silver. So you could get a few looks. You got a couple of colors that could work as transition colors and a base. I really do like this. I like the packaging of it, and I like that, you know, being a literary person, I do like that it could be housed like that. And if you collected them all, it would look like a row of books. I'm going to leave that one right there. I like that. And the last thing I received, which I am so happy, I've been slacking up on doing my reviews. If you do your reviews on BoxyCharm.com after you receive your boxes, when you get like 5 points or so, 50 points, something like that per review. But it also helps them to tailor the box more to your liking. And I have not been doing that, I think, in the last 6 months. And I really do need to get back to doing so. The boxes, when I be having my fingers crossed, they're crossed for a reason, because they only have my old reviews to go on. And I was really hoping to receive this facial oil, because it was either this or something else. All of that to say, about, God only knows how many videos back, about 2 or 3 months ago, I mentioned that I had tried this oil in Ulta. And it was kind of pricey. But I was so impressed by the moisturization, the hydration that it provided to my skin, and the lasting effect and the suppleness that my skin got from using it. And it was the Elemis Superfood Facial Oil. And I want to say it was somewhere around $54, $64. And I was like, okay, yeah, I got to have it. And I've been like a 2-year-old in a candy store, and I've been buying this and buying that, and it slipped my mind. I don't know how and why. But when I saw this was a potential item, I was like, oh my dear God, I really hope BoxyCharm sends it to me. And they did. It is still not the superfood one, which I still want, but it's at least its sister. It's the Pro-Collagen Rose Facial Oil for fine lines and wrinkles. Some words I can't pronounce. English rose, warm water kept, soothe, nourishes, and smooth. And I like Elemis. I got first introduced to them from an old FabFitFun box. I had got this papaya mask, and I really did like it. The bottle is so nice. And let's try a little bit before we end the video. Let's put a little drop here on some dry skin. And there you go. I will say the feels between the spray oil and the dropper oil, 2 different companies, 2 different feels. But they definitely both, I would say, nourished and hydrated the skin. So that's my December Boxyluxe, you guys. I'm super happy with it. I'm not going to complain at all. I think this was totally worth $50. And again, it's only every 3 months, so you have time to save up for it. And get yourself in a position to get it, you know, all that stuff. Put that over here. And then we got the hair towel. Put that guy somewhere in the video clip here. And adjust the camera. And that's it. I think I'll try to total up everything for you guys and put the retail value in the description box. That Elemis oil runs for $79. So I'll put the prices in the description box, the total price of the box somewhere up on the screen or in the description box for you guys, the referral link, the different program options and how you can get multiple boxes and things like that. Check the description box for all that detailed information. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it, please do give a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Have a blessed day, everyone. Peace.